In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Fresha gift card so you can seamlessly book your next appointment with ease. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to make sure you get the most out of your gift card. First off, you'll want to open up your chosen web browser and head straight to Fresha's website. If you already have the Fresha app installed on your phone, feel free to open that up instead. Fresha's platform is designed to be user-friendly, whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, so choose what's most convenient for you. Once you've arrived at the Fresha homepage, go ahead and log into your account. If you're not already registered, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy, and from there, you'll have access to all the services and the ability to manage your bookings seamlessly. Next, within the app or website, you'll want to search for the service you're interested in booking. Whether it's a haircut, a massage, or a beauty treatment, Fresha has a plethora of options to choose from. Once you've found the service you desire, select it, and choose the date and time that works best for you. Fresha's system is great about showing you real-time availability, so you can find a slot that fits perfectly into your schedule. As you proceed to checkout, keep an eye out for the payment method section. This is where all the magic happens with your gift card. Click on this section to explore your payment options. Now, look for the option that says Add a gift card or something similar. This is typically very straightforward, as Fresha makes the process user-friendly, ensuring you get to your gift card section without any hiccups. Once there, you'll see a prompt asking for your gift card code. This is usually a series of numbers and letters, so make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Double-check it before moving ahead to make sure it's perfectly entered. After entering your gift code, you'll need to confirm the code. Apply it to your appointment to ensure the gift card's balance is deducted from the total cost of the service you're booking. If there happens to be any remaining balance on the gift card, it will be saved for your next booking, ensuring no value goes to waste. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can fully utilize your Fresha gift card and book services effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that using your Fresha gift card will now be a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy booking!